got a wider angle. I'm gonna take it off here. Okay, and that's what it off, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's your boy Jackknife 2000. Today, guys, I got something for you guys here, an unboxing. I do apologize if you guys hear a lot of noise in the background. That's the kids, they're going wild. I did get this. I ordered this on Amazon for, I think it was 26 bucks here, guys. Check it out. Alright. I'm going to show you guys this bad boy. Now, this is supposed to be a wide angle lens adapter. You guys can buy this bad boy. Like I said, I bought it on Amazon for 26 bucks. Not a bad deal. And here's the box that it comes in right here, as you guys can see. There it is right there. Perfect. All right. Now let's go ahead and open this bad boy. And we're gonna actually be using it on this camera today. So check this out, guys. A nice, smooth, leathery bag. That's awesome. All right, so anyways, we have a leather case here, guys. Pretty freaking cool. If you guys can check that out, that is awesome. All right, so let's open this bad boy. All right, and it just falls right out the bag like so. There it is. This thing is freaking heavy, guys. Yo. Now, eventually I am gonna get a widescreen lens. Now there's nothing wrong with this one, but I want more space for when I go vlog. So here it is, guys. Take it out. There it is right there. Check it. Awesome, right? Awesome. So we do have this this micro lens here. This is the micro lens. This is the micro lens for if you want to take, look at that. That's the micro lens for like if you want to take really cool, sophisticated pictures, you know? Alright, and here's the regular size wide lens here. I'm gonna screw this bad boy in. Now I was told when I watched a video on it that you didn't have to screw this in like super hard, so you don't have to worry about it. But there it is right there, guys. Check it out. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do it right now. So give me a second, and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna screw this on right in front of you. Okay. All right, so here we go. And there it is. Now it does have a fisheye effect. And you said to escape the fisheye effect, you go like that and bam. So as you guys can see, now it's more of a widescreen. I mean, it definitely has more. You can see more of the picture over there. I mean, and I'm back here, so yeah. I mean, it gives you a little bit more of a widescreen angle, of course. Now, what I will tell you is that this is just an alternative until you get your lens. Now I'm gonna be using it for vlogging. All right, guys, so with this camera, I'm gonna show you right here with my Canon. I'm gonna show you how it looks like from the side and how it looks so that you guys can see for yourself what it looks like. And there's how it looks. I mean, it's pretty lengthy, pretty long, but it does attach to the camera. Okay. That's how it looks right there. Now, as far as vlogging with this camera, I'm not actually sure how I feel about that. So right now, what I want to do is I want to take it off and then I want to put it back on so that you guys can see what it looks like. Now, this is with the widescreen on, got a wider angle. I'm going to take it off here. Okay, and that's what it off, guys. That's when it's off, okay? And now you can see, you cannot see the Nintendo anymore over there, or you cannot see my little black thing over here. My green screen, you can't see that no longer. So I'm gonna put this bad boy on. There you guys go. There it is with it. Now you can see off to the side here. You can see over here. Now before it was about where my hand is where it would cut off. Maybe I'll do a before and after picture. But yeah, it gives me just a little bit more space, you know? But I mean, I think I'm okay with that because like I said, if I'm here and I'm vlogging, I mean, it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. So now that's with the borders. You got the fisheye borders. Now you can take those borders off there. You can go like that. And that's perfect for me. Okay. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to do a little vlog action with this bad boy. Okay. And hold on one second. It's definitely heavier with this lens on, but as you guys can see, here it is right here, guys. I'm vlogging, just say for I'm vlogging. Yeah, we're out here, we're having a good time, everything is great. Woo woo woo, wah wah wah. And as you guys can see here, I mean, it's okay. It's all right, you know, like, I mean, you can definitely see more. I don't know if I'd be holding it like that, like, what's up guys, it's your boy Jack92000. But anyways guys, let me know in the comment section below what you guys think of this, if we should go ahead and use this on a vlog. I'm not gonna lie, my arm, quite frankly, is getting kind of tired holding this, but it does give me a wider angle, however. So I don't know, we'll see what we have to do here. I don't know if there's something on the lens or what's happening. But anyways guys, I will see you on the next video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Come and join your boy. I'll see you guys later. Peace.